Hello everyone, my name is Duca. Today I'm going to be showing you my two parakeets. So this is one right there. She decided to go over here. That's the second one. It's the blue one's the girly one and the boy one is the green. So yeah, they chirp a lot. And here are the toys. One of them were here, and here's their cage, all the way far, and pretty much their feeders, and pretty much a lot of food. Yeah, and there's a heater if you're wondering what that is for cold days. That's a swing, and a mirror. And a ball they always kick around every day. And the thing they like the most is this thing that they bite off. And also we have the bone here. They don't bite off that much anymore. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe.